Pirates of the Caribbean, Johnny Depp fans are disappointed by Disney's announcements. Johnny Depp was last seen in a Pirates of the Caribbean film, Dead Men Tell No Tales, in 2017. This film was released just a year before Depp's ex-wife, Amber Heard, accused him of domestic violence in a Washington Post op-ed. Since then, the ex-couple has been in court for weeks at a time, fighting a libel and defamation suit. Depp eventually won the legal battle, but Disney had dropped him from the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise long before the results were announced. Unfortunately, recent Disney presentations appear to confirm that he will not be returning anytime soon. Disney held their annual D23 event in the United States last weekend. Various company figures announced new film projects and provided updates on previously confirmed films at the flagship event. While representatives from Marvel and Disney Plus were present in force, fans of the Pirates series were left out in the cold. Many die-hard series fans were hoping for an update on the billion-dollar franchise and its next installment. Instead, Disney made no mention of it. They occupied their time with information about the upcoming Avengers films and new additions to the Star Wars universe. Fans were displeased. On Twitter, one user wrote, "For the third year in a row, there has been no Pirates news." It's not surprising given that the 7 projects presented today are already in production, while the 2 Pirates projects don't even have directors attached, which is unusual. Disney last spoke about Pirates of the Caribbean in an official capacity just a few weeks ago. Jerry Bruckheimer, the series producer, mentioned the script for the yet untitled Pirates of the Caribbean 6. According to Bruckheimer, "I'm very excited, it's going to be terrific. We're just finishing up the screenplay." Ted Elliott, one of the original writers, is assisting with the writing. He has a strong understanding of the characters. Fans will recall that Elliott was a member of the writing team that created the first Pirates film, The Curse of the Black Pearl. This bodes well for Depp's return, but the actor has previously stated that he didn't want to return. During his defamation case, Depp discussed being dropped by Disney as Jack Sparrow. His firing occurred shortly after Heard's op-ed was published, and while the company did not cite the feature article as the reason for his dismissal, Depp believed the 2 events were linked. Clearly hurt by his dismissal by Disney, Depp stated that he would not return to the series. He added that he would not return even if offered $300 million and a million alpacas. However, the actor has a lot of backing to return. Not only are Elliott and Bruckheimer involved in the upcoming 6th film, but fans are demanding that Disney bring him back. A fan petition titled, "We Want Johnny Depp Back as Captain Jack Sparrow," has received 877,605 signatures from ardent fans. And the chances of him making a comeback aren't bad either. Ladbrokes recently gave the actor 6-1 odds on reprising his role as Jack Sparrow in the next Pirates of the Caribbean film. "The odds suggest it's unlikely at this point," said Alex Apathy of The Brand, but Johnny Depp fans could be in for a huge shock with a Jack Sparrow reprisal not being completely ruled out at this point. Regardless, work on the next Pirates of the Caribbean film may have already begun without Depp. And, by the sounds of it, the story structure will undergo significant changes.